If you're facing an Oracle audit or just want to be ready for one, Redress Compliance can be your best defense. Here's how we help. First, we take control of the process. Oracle audits can feel overwhelming, but we've seen hundreds of them. We know how Oracle operates and how to respond. We step in as your single point of contact and manage communication with Oracle, so your internal teams don't have to. Second, we build your defense before Oracle does. We start by conducting a full license assessment: what you own, what you're using, and what risks exist. This helps you fix small issues before they turn into million-dollar findings. Most Oracle audit claims are inflated. We identify what's legitimate and what isn't. Third, we push back. Audit reports from Oracle are just a starting point, not the final word. We analyze every claim, challenge incorrect assumptions, and negotiate aggressively to reduce or eliminate penalties. In many cases, we've cut audit exposure by 70–90%. And finally, we prepare you for the future. We don't just close the audit. We help you stay clean going forward with better internal controls and usage visibility, so you're never caught off guard again. If Oracle comes knocking, don't go it alone. Redress Compliance gives you the expertise, leverage, and protection you need.